respond? Because you can turn around and say that this is not your report, this is the Commission's report.
That's right, sir.
So should one ask them to respond? Would you want to respond?
My Lord, it is the Commission, Federal Government at page 4, as far as the terms of reference are concerned, they were quite clear at which are at page 4 of volume 1. And then the answers which they have given to each of the TORs is something for them to respond. Because as far as the functioning of the Commission is concerned, Federal Government cannot interfere. Federal Government can only assist the Commission in providing whatever they require from the Federal Government in terms of funds or facilities or whatever infrastructure may be needed. Otherwise, they have all the powers of the courts, civil and criminal, and also contempt, of course, to procure attendance, production of documents, and so on.
Can you read the terms of reference?
My Lord, page 4, volume 1, sir. Handwritten page 4, sir.
Terms of reference, page 3.
Sir, yes, it's page 3 at the bottom, but the handwritten page 4. We had numbered it as it appears in the index.
G.
The terms of reference as per notification are as under. 1. To inquire into any illegal financial and or other support provided to TLP for undertaking Faizabad Dharna and the events which follow.
Where is the finding on this?
My Lord, page 123. Page 123, sir. Page 123 and 124 are the findings on this, sir.
Where is the answer?
My Lord, so these are the, so if my Lord may kindly turn to page 124. So page 124, so they list the names of these individuals and entities which had provided support.
Hey, what is this page? Let's start with 122. It states, term of reference number 1.
G, page 122, 123, handwritten. Term of reference number 1. A, the Commission specifically quizzed the officers of the intelligence agencies, police officers, and officers of the administration to provide tangible evidence. B, FIA in response to query of the Commission. G.
This is not a finding. The question was there, now is to give a finding.
जी फाइंडिंग के ऊपर उन्होंने following page.
Either they should say we cannot ascertain this.
ये जी में उन्होंने कहा नीचे पैराग्राफ, if the government deems necessary the allegations against Mufti Hanif Qureshi and others for managing logistics and finances to the protesters may be further investigated. So this is
where is the role of the
conclusive?
Where is the role of the what is this thing called? This inquiry commission. They passed it on. We can directly have asked them.
उन्हीं को ही investigate करना था. They could not turn around and tell the government to further investigate. The inquiry commission was constituted precisely.
I mean, I don't understand this. अब ये E में क्या लिख रहे हैं? Just read E.
It is worth mentioning here that Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid, the then DGC ISI and later on Director General, was put to the question, with inverted commas, one of the foremost duties of a counter-intelligence agency is to monitor terror financing. Full stop. Do you have any idea that financing of TLYR was monitored? If so, who have been financing the activities of the said outfit? Commas closed. Next page. In response, he stated that financial monitoring was not the mandate of ISI. As such, no concrete evidence was available on financial activities of TLP. And then the commission did not.
I don't even understand what is the English. What does concrete evidence mean? I mean, where is the word concrete mentioned in the evidence, Qanun-e-Shahadat? Either there is or there isn't concrete evidence. So there was evidence, but there is not concrete evidence. I mean, I don't understand this.
That's why I said, sir. And then if you turn to paragraph G, to below the table.
No, no, hang on.
Yes.
Let's go back to E.
G.
On the one hand, they say that this is not the mandate of ISI.
Right, sir.
So it could have, then there should have been a full stop. As such, no concrete evidence is available on financial activities of TLP. So are they implying that only ISI could have provided this information? Why the word as such, no concrete evidence? Either you, if they say this is not our mandate, full stop.
Doesn't make sense, sir.
I mean,
Doesn't make sense.
I don't understand what level
No,
of
this
persons
doesn't
are
make
writing
sense.
this report.
It doesn't make sense at all.
Either they should say, we asked this, he said, I don't, this is not my mandate.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Whether we agree or not, that's a separate thing. As such, no concrete evidence was available on financial activities of TLP, but that's your job to find out.
I mean, it does.
You were given a specific job to inquire into any illegal financial and no other support.
And in paragraph G, then they,
But then what is your job? Then why are you sitting? What are you doing as a commission?
and
As such. So they were totally reliant upon General Faiz Hamid's answer.
that's right.
And then we asked IB, we asked Special Branch, then what are you doing? As inquiry commission, you have to tell us, do you believe them? Do you think this is correct? You ascertain something, you apply your own mind. It seemed they had just outsourced it to someone else. Okay, now you provide us this information.
Inconclusive. There are no conclusive findings. I mean,
There is no finding at
definitive
all.
Finding at
There
all.
is nothing.
Yeah.
Anyway, what sort of inquiry commission this is? Where are the other two members of the commission? They're also ill.
Sir, no, they're not ill. They,
Okay, let's proceed to the next one. To recommend,
G. The next is, my lord, page
to recommend.
G. To recommend action against those who issued edicts or fatwas during or in relation to Faizabad Dharna. This either harmed or put others in harm's way. A. Enough evidence on the record floats according to which.
They've given 1,000 names here.
G. 1,000 names, sir, and then
To इसमें लिखा है to recommend action.
G.
Where is that part of the reference?
Now,
made?
G. Under following page, under paragraph E, they say, in view of the above reasons, necessary action in accordance with law may be initiated against all those found involved in issuing edicts and against whom enough evidence is available, not only in this report, but also police and intelligence reports.
Again, they've not done their task.
So,
In
Have
view
not
of the above
identified-
necessary action in accordance with law.
GM, and have not.
I don't know what they're doing here. Where is the input of this inquiry commission? Let's read the judgment. पाकिस्तान का कितना नुकसान किया इन्होंने? देखिए पाकिस्तान का नुकसान करना तो बस अब वो लगता है कि एक वो है राइट बन गया है फंडामेंटल राइट. हम अपने जजमेंट में कहाँ है नुकसान की जिक्र?
Just.
आग लगाओ, मारो, पीटो, सब ठीक है, ये हमारा हक है. इसमें हमने वो उसका वो भी लगाया था कुछ हिसाब किताब शायद, if I remember.